long before cities learned to control fire, transforming their food and their environment.
Over countless generations, controlled fire became more than warmth. It transformed meat, roots, and other foods, making them softer, safer, and easier to digest. As humans began tilling and growing crops, new tools transformed cooking. Pottery made it possible to boil grains, roots, and other foods directly over controlled fire. As villages became civilizations, cooking became more organized. Ovens, grinding stones, and specialized kitchens transformed food preparation. In the ancient Mediterranean, cooking became increasingly sophisticated. Olive oil, bread, wine, herbs, and specialized techniques transformed culture, trade, and daily life. In medieval kitchens, open hearths, iron pots, ovens, and roasting spits gave cooks greater control over heat. Cooking and preservation became essential. As trade networks expanded, ingredients began traveling enormous distances. Spices transformed European cuisine, while the Columbian exchange. By the early modern era, kitchens were becoming more organized and precise. Written recipes transformed cooking into an increasingly sophisticated craft. In the 19th century, enclosed cast iron stoves brought cooking under control. Mechanized tools, industrial ovens, and new gas and electricity brought precise heat into the home. Refrigerators, running water, and electric appliances transformed cooking. After World War II, refrigeration, frozen foods, supermarkets, and microwave ovens transformed everyday cooking. Electric appliances made food preparation faster.
The mending contact of daffodils.
Induction cooktops, smart ovens, air fryers, and connected appliances made cooking faster, more. Today, artificial intelligence, robotics, and food science are beginning to enter the kitchen. Over the next decade, these technologies could make cooking more. By the middle of the 21st century, cooking could become an intelligent ecosystem, transforming greasy of food that brings people together.